This person completely destroyed this rare wheat penny. Not many people know the small area that they need to look for to tell the difference between a coin that's worth $5 and a coin that's worth $50,000. In this video, I'll make sure that you don't end up like this person that destroyed this coin. So first of all, it's very important to understand that 1909 was the first year the US Mint ever minted these wheat penny coins. Now, collectors go after coins either in the brown, or red condition. What that pretty much means is the red condition is the closest thing to how the coin was actually minted to begin with. Over time, the coins start to oxidize and change colors, and they turn brown. The brown designation coins typically are worth less money than the red designation just because there are less of them out there. So these coins were designed by Victor David Brenner. And now this is the designer of the coin, and his initials are on the back bottom center of the coin. This is one key area you need to look out for on your penny to see if it's worth a lot of money or not. The next biggest thing is the mint mark. Now, a lot of these coins do not have a mint mark, meaning the coins were minted at the Philadelphia Mint. The majority of the time, if you ever have a coin without a mint mark, it will mean it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. Now, if your coin has an S mint mark, that means it was struck at the San Francisco Mint. Now, San Francisco minted coins are typically worth more money than other minted coins. Really quick, let's take this coin for example. It is a 1909 coin. There is no mint mark, meaning it was struck at the Philadelphia Mint. If you look on the back bottom center of the coin, there is no VDB, and this coin right now you can buy it on eBay for $3 shipped to you. Now this coin sold for $55,200, and here's why. So the first thing to realize is this coin was graded by PCGS at a mint state 68. That's only 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70. That's why the condition of these coins is so important. You can see the coin that was destroyed in this video was not in the best condition. It was a brown designated coin, and also this coin right here has a VDB on the back bottom center of the coin. Again, generally speaking, if this coin did not have the VDB on the back, it would be worth less money. Now this coin sold for $117,500. Now you can see immediately that this has the S mint mark below the date there. Also, it's important to know that this coin graded one grade lower at the PCGS mint state 67 grade. So if this one was to grade at the 68, it would have brought more money. Another big factor with these coins is when they're being sold. Market conditions play a big factor with the value of these coins. It is like any other market. There are highs and lows. When you sell, really will dictate how much money you get. So the moral of the story is this coin that was destroyed, luckily you can see that there was no S mint mark below the date. If there was, then this guy would have lost a lot of money. YouTube has a complex algorithm that knows exactly what video you want to watch next, and that video is on the screen, so go ahead and click on that video and I'll see you inside.